Ay sus! In this video, we are going to learn how to say happy birthday in Ilocano. There are two ways to say it.
Naimbag akasangay. Naimbag akasangay. Naimbag a panagtaom. Naimbag a panagtaom.
Ay sus!